Teta maungpagi ladi kachisumchi ongase. Kokabdi katele tion, teta devigi yuntu kadebe dugogase. Gyakabgi peljurgi diji, jungchunggi diji, misigi churubdi gaira maungpada chiga seto tobe tatumbe zogobele. Te gudi lobdanalera guzunil. Irwe lobda chilu lotek dudabajin digi ke mechil. Mise maidrep lobdana mil. Lobrim chutam ta kesumi. Chuni ta kesubigi najunsu. Donsepna la padumi, yuka la padumi, tomna dumi, chonjami, sanamgi labemi. Ta laludi yuntu bomu, laya lejumu se. Lo depapave diol. Shio beruda architect engineer zero, du tari naba semka jagobdi. Yuntu kadichi le zero, nip teni di joro jobel. Yuntu sab, dupshegol. Ta maungpa segalen, misi yuri yusuchib josa lamdi chirain. Te tari bewachin, mi chering chusum, gelyongi tole gaira tari bewal. Ta gyakabna le chalana le kha chishu ji. Ta misisu dalapa guzung duse chola matamba. Sapsa riri bela. Ranlu pen top da kha chiugi. Kerik yuntu da nyamnyong. Jabjoe ribum be jindi. Mise gade dara shape tom zoni di name same kechel. National skilling, reskilling, upskilling, and becoming world ready.
Master and learn our national language Dzongkha like never before with Bhutan's first online learning platform, Educare Skill. From catchy nursery rhymes and entertaining animation series to engaging read-aloud stories and comprehensive exam-oriented tutorials, Educare Skill has something for every learner. Whether you are a student struggling to learn Dzongkha, preparing for your Dzongkha exams, or a graduate sitting for the RCSC examinations, our carefully curated content aligned with the national curriculum and reviewed by Dzongkha experts will surely save the day. Now, let us go through our one-of-a-kind library of content and discover why Educare Skill is the ultimate tutor for Dzongkha for everyone. Our online learning platform features a wide variety of entertaining and educational programs for both children and adults, making screen time a productive and meaningful one. Our interactive, gamified learning platform, catchy, provides an opportunity for your child to learn and build a solid Dzongkha foundation with 12 episodes of interactive mobile games, covering topics ranging from alphabet tracing to shapes and colors and many more. Get ready to sing and dance to playful melodies and whimsical lyrics with 24 episodes of the fan favorite Nono and Daza nursery rhyme series, where learning is all fun and play. Grab some popcorn and binge watch our amazing collection of animation series, consisting of 36 episodes, where stories come alive with adorable characters and memorable moments that will make you laugh out loud, as well as tear-jerking moments that will gently pull at your heartstrings. Watch the adventures of the Monkey King, where Zangpo, upon ascending the throne, brings calm to the chaotic forests that he rules, bestowing valuable nuggets of wisdom along the way. Tales of the Four Friends, where four close friends, Karma, Tongtong, Zala, and Chunku, embark on wild adventures together, gaining a few friends, as well as making a few enemies, overcoming obstacles and showing us the true meaning of friendship. The Dr. Carrot series, where the wise Dr. Carrot and his quirky vegetable friends show us the importance of leading a healthy lifestyle in the most adorable way possible. Additionally, there are 180 colorful read-aloud stories, such as the Monkey King and Dragon Tail series, available in both Dzongkha and English to help children learn Dzongkha easily. Our platform also covers academic and exam-oriented learning materials designed to help students prepare for their Dzongkha exams, as well as graduates sitting for the RCSC examinations. For classes PP to 3, we offer the Kakilobda series, where our lively class of troublemakers learns foundational Dzongkha lessons and concepts through fun exercises and engaging activities. For classes 4 to 6, the Basic Dzongkha series introduces fundamental grammar and language concepts, transforming classroom learning into simplified and interactive lessons. Stories, essays, and poems from textbooks are also available as read-aloud videos featuring soothing narration and beautiful illustrations that help students learn Dzongkha through engaging visuals. In-depth exam-oriented tutorials such as Q&As and MCQs are also provided, enabling students to prepare effectively by practicing solved questions from the past papers. For classes 7 to 8, the Intermediate Dzongkha series explores more advanced grammar and language, making complex Dzongkha topics easier to grasp. Stories from textbooks are also available as read-aloud videos, featuring soothing narration and beautiful illustrations that help students learn Dzongkha through engaging visuals. In-depth exam-oriented tutorials are also provided, enabling students to prepare effectively by practicing solved questions from past papers. For classes 9 to 10, the Intermediate Dzongkha series explores more advanced grammar and language, making complex Dzongkha topics easier to grasp. Topics such as Nyenga, Dagik, and Lekshe Langdor are broken down into comprehensive, easy-to-understand tutorials. In addition, epics such as Kanutroa Zangmo, as well as sacred texts such as Gesalalen, are available as beautifully illustrated read-aloud videos, allowing students to immerse themselves in age-old tales and timeless scripture. Stories from textbooks are also available as read-aloud videos, featuring soothing narration and beautiful illustrations that help students learn Dzongkha through engaging visuals. In-depth exam-oriented tutorials are also provided, enabling students to prepare effectively by practicing solved questions from past papers. For classes 11 to 12, the Intermediate Dzongkha series explores more advanced grammar and language, making complex Dzongkha topics easier to grasp. Topics such as Chudashingi Tenche are broken down into comprehensive, easy-to-understand tutorials. In addition, epics like Ajinangsa, as well as sacred texts such as Sheting, are available as beautifully illustrated read-aloud videos, allowing students to immerse themselves in age-old tales and timeless scriptures. Stories from textbooks are also available as read-aloud videos, featuring soothing narration and beautiful illustrations that help students learn Dzongkha through engaging visuals. In-depth exam-oriented tutorials are also provided, enabling students to prepare effectively by practicing solved questions from past papers. With the subsidized support of the Department of Culture and Dzongkha Development, Ministry of Home Affairs, Educare Skill is made freely available for students studying in classes PP to 6, children aged 3 years and above, ECCD facilitators and Dzongkha teachers teaching in classes PP to 6 from both private and public schools. However, if you are a student studying in higher classes and are not eligible to avail the support, we have got you covered with our affordable membership plans. With over 1,000 episodes available, Educare Skill is the ultimate one-stop shop for learning and mastering our national language Dzongkha, catering to people of all walks of life, regardless of age. So, why wait? Explore the world of Educare Skill and start your Dzongkha learning journey today.